make an acai bowl, and it is the most beautiful thing that has ever existed. So I'm gonna show you the process of that. Do you like acai bowls?
I come here only for the acai bowls.
Yeah, they're really good. And I just bought fresh raspberries and mango. It's gonna be delicious. This is literally the love of my life. And there you have it, the most beautiful acai bowl. This one's very berry heavy.
Top.
But it's pretty much like ice cream for breakfast.